Welcome to LP Financial Services. Free membership is available at www.fxreturn.com. Hello and welcome to the LP Financial Services Market Quick View Report for the Euro and the British Pound for Friday, July 25th, 2008. Just about 1500 GMT, 11 a.m. on Wall Street. We look at the Euro in the background. This is the daily chart, and it looks a little bit more clear. We started the week expecting a new all-time high, and we did get it at 160.37. That was promptly rejected. We did see an intraday pattern that led to the drawdown. We did spot that, but let's just quickly look at the daily chart. Let's look, if we study the Elliott wave principle, we see 1, 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. Wave 5 ended in a rising wedge, and this is some type of A-B combo getting ready for, it looks to be like a C wave, as that would pull us back to this 48.16. I'm going to go out on a limb here and think that although we don't look to sell against the trend, it's never good. I do think that the steam is out of the euro, according to me. So let's take a look. Wave 2 is a zigzag, straight down. Wave 4 is more complex, a triangle. This is a wave 5, typical rising wedge pattern. Came down. We are now making what appears to be a double top. If we take a look, there's the two tops, just like so. Once we break this line of containment, which we have broken, it looks like that is it. That will be a terminal junction, at least for this wave. We do have so you see the double top, we do have quite a bit of what's called a divergence. When we look at the first top and compare it to the second top, they're equal levels, but look at the momentum. Absolutely no momentum. It's called a divergence right there. When we look at our stochastics, we also have a stochastic divergence and what's called a knee or a buckle in the stochastic. So at 56.80, I can't say that this is very strong. We've got 60.37. Let's look at this 48.16. I mean, is it possible? Sure. Let's look at the 60s and see what we saw. There was what we saw as a head and shoulders at the all-time high, made the top of the head. And I did alert you, if you go back and look at the videos, excuse me, there's the double top. When you look at the video from last week where we spotted this, I was looking for 57.38. That was my level. There's the head and shoulders. This was the left shoulder. There's the head. There's the right shoulder. There was a neckline. After a brief retracement, this was an exact 50% retracement of this down move, and then we sort of poured off down to our support, 56.50. These have been very strong levels. Look at the first level, 57.50, 38, good resistance. And when we came through 58.39, look at the buckle right down. So that's why we call this a swing level. But there was our head and shoulders. I pointed it out to you. There it was. That's how it moves very strongly. But now we're looking at a double top on the dailies. There it is. And as we take a look, there's our double top. So this broke this line of containment coming up like so. So to me, I mean, the die is cast. I've got a good divergence. And that's my outlook for the euro. Let's look at 48.16. Why not? I think the new all-time highs, I think their highs are over, and we're going to get some type of pullback. All good divergence. So great job. Good levels and good job of analysis. Let's look at the British pound, 98.76. Not much. This was a 38% retracement. We closed above it, couldn't break the highs of the bar that closed above it. The averages are kind of tangled up here. Not a lot of momentum, but look at the pound's all-time high. You know, we're well off that with the euro trading high, so I could see the euro pulling back. We do have a little bit of an overbought condition here that we're working off of in the British pound. Let's look at the levels of 2002. That was a strong level. Let's look at our supports, 98.80. We're coming through. Under that, we got 97.58, 95.93, and then the bottom, 94.60 onwards to 93.68. So that's the outlook for the pound. Let's just throw in the Kiwi real quick. I've had this measured. This was a boom, 50% retracement. I've had these downtrend lines in here for a while, and we're holding true to form. Let's look at the next support at 74.05 we've had, and the bottom of this trend line at 73.50 as support. Resistance is going to be 75.37. But if you look, the Kiwis pulled down quite a bit the pound well off its highs, and there's the euro hanging up top there. So these three currencies do tend to move together. So let's take a look. That's a double top in the euro at the top. And so when we measure our Fibonacci retracement levels from this 28.41 to 60.37, it appears like we're going to come down and maybe go to this 48.16 in the eventual time frames. And it's been a great week. Thanks for following along. And this has been the Euro and British Pound Market Quick View Report for July 25th. It's Friday. Have a great weekend trading. And let's be careful buying these euros up top, okay? And I'll see you then. Bye-bye.